Why do 90% of engineers rely on foundation bolts for stability? Foundation bolts are the unsung heroes of structural engineering, ensuring everything from PEB structures to solar poles stands tall and strong. Let's break down the three main types, J, U, and L. First up, the J-type bolt. Shaped like a hook, it's perfect for handling heavy loads and is often used in pre-engineered buildings, PEB. Think of it as the strong silent type in your toolbox. Next, the U-type bolt. With its horseshoe shape, this bolt provides excellent grip and stability, making it ideal for securing solar poles. Imagine it giving a big bear hug to your structure. Finally, the L-type bolt. Resembling an elbow, this one is versatile and great for various applications, including both PEB structures and solar poles. It's like the flexible friend who can adapt to any situation. So whether you're building a towering solar pole or a robust PEB structure, foundation bolts have got you covered. And remember, the type you choose can make all the difference.